So a little bit about the pruning, what we are spraying here this is a spindle tree with a central leader. So this is a 2-year-old branch that will produce now in, let's say, January 26. Yeah? Last year we had a 2-year-old branch that we cut back, so we make 3 new ones. Yeah? So these will produce in 27 if we don't cut them, but we cut one, so we make 1 or 2 new shoots that will produce in 28. And after production, we cut this one to this spur, yeah, because we still have spurs, and then we'll make the new shoots to produce in 28. So it's a continuous system that we produce cherries on 2-year-old branches. Yeah. If we plant 4 by 1 meter, yeah, so 2,500 trees per hectare, then we need only 8 branches in the second year to produce the 8 kilos. No more. We can leave 10 on the tree, but then we need also 8 and 10 new ones to keep the system running. And you see this is actually perfect because in all the spurs there's also leaves with the flowers to produce our quality, and that is important. If we look at some orchards here in Australia, the normal pruning in spindle trees, so if the branches get too wide into the driveway, we just cut to open the driveway. You see the reaction, we get a lot of reaction, but at the wrong place. So we can cut again in winter time, but we create more growth, more vigor, more shade in the tree, more competition, so it doesn't make sense. And actually, if you want to do something, you have to cut it back. But you need spurs, otherwise it will die. Here the same, if we have a very strong upright branch, and we cut the tops, because it's growing into the other tree, you create a lot of growth and vigor on the top. It will be sold like this, and you can cut again in winter, but actually compete with the cherries. The spur quality goes down, you get less spurs, because the energy goes all to the active growth. That is not what we want. So you have to start over again and cut close to the trunk again. How to control, if we have spindle trees, how to control